Hey everybody, it is Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview of these HDMI, these 8K HDMI cords, and these things are pretty legit. This particular one's come in nice red with what looks to be gold terminals, so you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with the old gold. And the cords here, if you can make that out, it's kind of like a braided material, which I think definitely helps as far as preventing like kinking or anything like that. This particular version here is about 6 feet long. And this is a two-pack. I think they come in a variety of different sizes. And I've never seen this before. Like the inside's red too. Not that you're gonna ever see that once these are plugged in, but these things work great, So if you're looking for a nice set of HDMI cords that look like they're pretty tough and will stand the test of time, these might just help. Talk to you soon.